Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Indian outfit get ready with me, and as you can see, this is the outfit that I'll be wearing today. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. For this eye look, one of the palettes I chose is Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk, and I'm taking the shade Eden as a transition shade. Now I'm taking the shade Amber and applying it on my crease and outer corner, as you can see. I'm blending it into my transition shape. Now with the shade Oud, I'm further deepening up the crease and the outer corner. Now on a flat packing brush, I'm taking a bit of concealer and applying it to half of my lid, as you can see. Oh my god, I'm totally gonna butcher this name. I'm taking the shade Nefertiti, I think, and placing it on top of the concealer as the lid shade. Now I'm taking the outer corner shade and blending those two one into another. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Glam Rock. Whoa, that was a mouthful. And I am applying it to the spot where the lid shade ends and the crease shade starts. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's start with the face. And I'm starting with Face Primer, and for that I'm using Benefit's POREfessional. For foundation, I'm using The Ordinary's Serum foundation. I am really loving this foundation at the moment. So lightweight. For concealer, I'm using my trusty Tarte Shape Tape. Oh my god, who doesn't love this one? Done with the concealer, it's time for the setting powder. I'm starting with my under eyes, and for that I'm using Ben Nye Banana Powder. I love using this one for my under eyes. And for the rest of my face, I'm using Laura Mercier's Translucent Loose Setting Powder. This one is also my favorite. We're done setting the base, it's time for the under eyes. And for that, I'm going with this blue shade from NYX's Ultimate Brides palette for a pop of color. And then with this eye pencil to make it even more intense. Now it's time for the wing liner, and for that I'm using my trusty Quick Flick liner in 10mm. Oh my god, this has helped me a lot. Now for mascara, I'm using ColourPop's BFF Volumizing Mascara. Now that we're done with the eyes, we'll go back to the face and we'll start by bronzing. And for that I'm using Jouer's Duo Bronzer in light to medium. And now I'll use Hoola bronzer as my contour, like I always do. And another Benefit product, it looks like it's Benefit's Day. I'm using this Galifornia's Box Blush as my blush for this look. Now to my absolute favorite part of any makeup routine, highlighter. And for this look, I'm using theBalm's Mary-Lou-Manizer on the highest points of my face. And I chose this nude liquid lipstick by Too Faced to finish off this look. And of course, my trusty Fix Plus. Something is missing. Oh my god, jewelry. And the last piece, a blue bindi. And this is the completed look, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Love you.